Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to don't allow sites to use the V8 Optimizer on Opera browser. So how to don't allow sites to use the V8 Optimizer on Opera browser. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the privacy security menu. Now here you are in the privacy security menu. And then tap the security menu. And it will appear like this. Next, tap menu manage V8 security. And it will appear like this. And tap don't allow sites to use the V8 Optimizer. This feature prevents sites from using V8 Optimizer in Opera browser to improve security and performance control. So that's it, the tutorial how to don't allow sites to use the V8 Optimizer on Opera browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.